production and talent for putting on such a fantastic event. My name is Barney Banks, and that is my roof over there, and we will see you at our next event. Good night.
Qonunlar va janoblar, bir hafta davomida kibersport muxlislarining e'tibori Toshkent shahriga qaratildi. O'zbekiston finalidan to asosiy musobaqalargacha hammani hayajonda ushlab turgan ushbu chempionatga va ijobiy jamoaga